Let's face it, driving can be scary in bad weather, especially this time of year. Like most people, I don't always feel completely safe driving if conditions are bad. But for many drivers, the problem isn't slick winter roads. It's the fact that they don't know what their tires are supposed to do. That's why it's important to distinguish all-weather and all-season tires for your customers.
Even though it may seem like it in the name, all-season tires aren't four-season tires. When the temperature falls below 45 degrees, all-season tires stiffen, reducing road responsiveness and increasing the risk of slipping in challenging winter conditions such as snow or sleet. All-season tires are designed to provide a good balance of performance in various weather conditions, including dry and wet roads. They are suitable for mild winter conditions, but may not perform well in severe winter weather, especially on icy or snowy conditions. On the other hand, all-weather tires are specifically engineered to handle a wide range of weather conditions, including winter weather. They will often carry the 3-peak mountain snowflake or 3PMS symbol, indicating that they meet specific winter traction requirements. All-weather tires are designed to offer better performance in colder temperatures, snow, and icy conditions compared to typical all-season tires. This makes them a more versatile choice for drivers in regions with unpredictable weather patterns, including winter storms. Similar to the 3PMS symbol, some tires carry an M+S, mud and snow designation on their sidewalls. However, it's important to distinguish these markings for your customers in case they think the M+S symbol is enough for snow. Tire manufacturers aren't required to prove any advanced level of snow or ice traction to include the M+S symbol. The tread just needs to look the part. However, tires with the 3PMS symbol have to prove that they're at least 10% more effective in winter conditions than typical all-season tires. With this knowledge, ask questions to your customers and base your recommendations on their location, how much they drive, and how they plan to drive when conditions get tough. These answers will help you offer the best all-season or all-weather tire option. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.